What is up, everyone? Today I am going to be making a fake Polaroid wall thing. Disclaimer, I don't know anything about Polaroids, but the reason I decided to do this is because a friend gave me a Polaroid, but it turned out it didn't have enough of that film stuff, and I looked it up and it was so expensive. So let me know if there's a cheap way to get them, because I was like, this is crazy. So instead of, buying film and taking pictures with the Polaroid, I'm just gonna draw my own. And if that's what you want to do and you love drawing, perfect. Just watch and learn. This should be really easy. This should be fun. Like and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take a piece of black paper. I can't think of the measurements right off the top of my head, but I'll leave them in the description box like usual. So you take a piece of black paper, this is like the back part, and you just cut out a piece. I'm tracing a Polaroid film thing. What is it called? Someone help me, please. I don't know any of my expert Polaroid vocabulary. We just cut it out. Set that aside for now, and then you take a piece of white paper or whatever kind of paper you like and just trace a 3" by 3" square, and that is where you'll draw your pictures. So I like to start out by looking at Google Photos. I really love drawing landscape pictures for some reason. I'm not good at people. I'm not really good at anything else. I mean, I'm not that great at landscape either, but this is what I like to draw, so that is what we're doing. So I've just taken something off my Google Photos pictures. I'm going to do 32 of these fake Polaroid things because I think that's what fits my bathroom the best. And yeah, so I'm just going to trace that with my pencil, whatever I'm doing. And then after the pencil, I'm going to take my pen, outline it, shade in some things, add in things that don't even exist, like birds, because I'm like, that just makes it look so much better. So for some reason, like, half of my Polaroids ended up having birds in them, so don't question it. And yeah, once I have that, I'm going to take some crayons. I don't know why I'm using crayons. I think I'm just lazy to get my colored pencils, but I'm just going to take crayons, add a bunch of colors, make it extra colorful, more colorful than it is in real life. I forgot to mention this in the video, but make sure that you cut the picture thing out, and then you're just gonna go ahead and use some tape. I'm using double-sided tape because I really love that kind of tape, but you can just glue it or however you want to do it and just stick it onto the black piece of paper. Once I have that, I'm just gonna go to my bathroom. Gonna take 2 pieces of tape for each one, double-sided, just blue tape. Did I just say blue tape? Blue tape. Blue tape. I cannot talk today. I feel like I'm talking so fast. I'm sorry. Blue tape. Stick it on there. Stick it on the wall. And yeah, you know what? My dad told me that it might deteriorate within 3 months because it's the bathroom. So maybe if you want to do this, don't do this in your bathroom. Alright, so I'm done. I finally just put up the last one of these 32 fake Polaroid things. I am really happy with the way this turned out. It's really colorful. It's a little boom in the middle of your boring bathroom, and I will just ignore the fact that this might deteriorate within the course of 3 months. So, or less. Yeah. But I feel like it adds something to the room. I would recommend it, maybe not in your bathroom, which I didn't consider beforehand. But just if you like to draw, it is worth your time, even though this took me forever, and some drawings are trash and others are better. So I'll show you some close-ups in a sec, but I'm really happy with the way this turned out, so yay!